pedang subhai pi baro syakani ketup kubor mentaga janmit syuban paj kubor kibubnya ini pitchwai kimat bekongsan. Kermen scam ketenat puli putih kesoka pedang menpembek yang dikenrum kenram NEHU oleh Presiden dan NEHTA Profesor Lakon Kemar. Pembina kesokar yang kesong pisah kawan live kandai kelur nak kebentar ke JHADC ban kemi yang kejeng akan liang kepisah tingkah. Kentaj ke Meghalaya yang kejeng kam Menteri Rang Ba ke Assam ba kejeng pom lom hapok ke jela ke Wanra kejeng Shlai ha Guwahati. Namar ke Porslap, 3 minit ke Sorka ban pentikna ia ke jeng shengan ki pat ba da ke babuk jengmut ia ke jeng Shlai bat jeng tua kendau ba ke jela ke Juma. Ki khubor ki babnya. Ka Northeastern Hill University Teachers Association lani NEHUTA hene ke sngi ke laong ba ke tanat puli putih ke Sorka pedeng ke kermen scam ban penbet ia ki kenrum kenram bermenta hapok ke skul ba. Abakren syikila patai khubor hadin ke jingelang bat ki arngut ki officer ke tenat puli putih ke Soka Pedeng u presiden ke NEHUTA u Profesor Lakon Kemar u loong baki don katu kat ni ki lat ki lenti ki balak banyak syakmat man penbet ya ke jinglong jingman bermenta NEHU hendai ompat syim lapoi syakanu kenu kerai bakat do hendai ke NEHUTA kala yang scam hakan nongrem bahkan omla ban pediang satya ya u Vice Chancellor bermenta u Profesor Prabha Shankar Shukla ban wan pai biang syaka skul ba bat omdei hiru ban buon yakne kum kalat ka ba ula banjien hakawai kaliang additional secretary ketenat puli putih ke Soka Pedeng u Sunil Kumar Banwal ula ong ba ka jingelang kalalong ka basaiso da ka benrap ba baro ki kam ki jam kin sayat bai ya renti.
They are willing to find a solution so that NEHU comes back to normalcy. And that is where I would, I don't want to add anything more because things are only evolving because they are still here for next 5 hours. So probably before they leave, we should have a fair idea of what kind of solution we are looking at, keeping in mind that it is almost untenable for Professor Shukla, and we have made it very, very clear in no uncertain terms. We have made it very clear that his coming back here should not be an option at all.
I had a good meeting with the faculty, all the teaching deans, head of the department, and good experience. I hope everything will be normal and will work better.
Menteri Rang Ba ke jela Konrad Ki Sangma ula penbena ya kesong pisah ke balai pekundai kelur nak ke benta ke Giant Hills Autonomous District Council ban shimkhia ya ki jing ke liang ke pisah ke tingka kini kesong ke kentup ya ke arpo kelur tingka ke balamang nak ke jing siu ki bedangsa syaga council bot sa ke kandai kelur tingka ke ba on sepelat hapadeng nelai tayo. Ka jing ke liang kepisah JHADC kedai namar ke jing kta ke balami haswa na ke jing khang ti doyong ke belakta shi kedai ya ke khajna bat ya ke jing slam ban wan pai biang kepisah kin sadon ru ke jingelang ki ban sapelong ban wat ya kilat ki lenti na ke benta ban sandur aga ban ne slam bat u sembut menteri Rang Ba ke jela u ba sngau bhalang dhar.
We will be following up this meeting by having another meeting in the next 2-3 days. Deputy CM will be meeting them, and then post that we will be meeting other at finance level and other levels to then again further discuss the matter. I hope that as we move further, we are working on a long-term solution to this problem so that once and for all we can see some kind of financial stability in the council, but it's still in the planning stage, so I'll refrain from giving details right now.
Hakawai ke liang Menteri Rang Ba ke jela oleh kenduk ru ya kinongelam ke Giant Hills Giant Students Union lani JSU banyakran halo kimat bayadai bat ke puli putih hagi college berper-per hajawai ke JSU kala dawa banwanra ya ke evening section hakyang nang ba government college bat ke morning section ha government boys high secondary school hajawai ban penbun ya ke jing shim ne jing penrung ya ki kena Kaseng kala ai jengmut ru na kebenta ban shna shu yaki yeng mala habaro artli kislem pulie ban kershan yaki kampenroi ki ban ne islam hakaliang ki jingtei kumju ban pediang ya ka jingnang kieu haka jingdon ki samla pulie hapo kathan. Ka Meghalaya kala kentai ya ke jingkam Menteri Rangba ka Assam Himanta Biswa Sarma ba ka jingpom lom ha Meghalaya kadai na kadau ka bayalam sha ka jingshlei Hagawahati. Menteri ka soka jela uba lak kermen shela ula kentu ya ka Assam ban marmot ya kinala pentuj hagajaka ban penmi ya ki jing keno ki bakhlem nongrem. Ula ong ba ompat don kanu ka jing ujor ka balayo pediang na ka Assam bat banjor ba ka ka batuj najrong lom ka long kumbajulong namar ka jing joslap ha Meghalaya.
Most of the time, okay, let's say this is naturally it happened. We are on a higher level, they are on a lower level. So naturally the water will go from Meghalaya to them. Sometimes if they are in higher level, it comes to us also. But that doesn't mean we have to blame. It is naturally it happened like this. It's God created this. It's not that we put ourselves on top and they themselves they dig and they stay on the lower. That we cannot blame just for the dead flood and now they have to blame us. The only thing is that what is the solution? They have to find out. The solution is that make a proper drainage so that they'll avoid all those things.
Menteri Kesorka jela uba kermen shela ula pediang ngobhai ka jing terwa ban pelong ya ka jawai kum ka nongba liur ne ka summer capital jong ka Meghalaya Henry ula penpau ba ka don kam ya ki jing don jing em ba kongsan bat onom la ban shule marmar ya ka ni ka jing dawa hapo ka jing elam jong ka Giantia Students Union ka lawan hadien ka sinjam jong ka soka ban perkhat ha ka ban pen long ya ka tura kum ka nongba telang ne ka winter capital wala ka soka ka plilat na kabenta ka jing mi khmat ha ka laki jong ki than uba shela ula banjur ba ki babun na kine ki jing wanra jing kela ki kentup ru ya ka jing ha ka liang ki jing penyat kam pisa bat kan kham shempor ban pentri kam.
If the government can accommodate, we don't mind. But to make it a capital, summer capital or winter capital, all this thing, a huge expenditure. Manpower required, expenditure required, and not just by saying it's summer capital or winter capital, it happened. Huge expenditure and huge involvement will be there. So to make it happen, the government will see the possibility of it and then how to go about it. It's not easy. Okay, no doubt. People demand, people requirement. We will make it happen if it is in our capacity. But it's not easy to make it on one go. Time will come for that.
Menteri Rangba ka jela Konrad ki sangma hinin ka sungi ula IT ya ka siensiu beningkong ka belong shiklor tingka lingba ka Meghalaya Healthcare Advancement Policy sha Dr. Norman Tunnel Hospital Jawai ban penbahai ka rukom trekam jong ka hospital ka jing kershan bapura ka bala ai sha ka hospital ka long arklor tingka ya ka ne ka shiklor tingka ka badangsa on supply hadien bala IT ya ka utilization certificate na ka benta ka siensiu ka beningkong Hapo jong kene ka scheme ladap ban ai shipoklor tingka sha santli ki jaka sumar balatip kum ki not for profit hospitals.
Meghalaya is the highest spender in the health sector compared to any other state in the country. We spend 8% of our budget on health. And through that, in the last 7 years, most of the government infrastructure, large investments have been made to improve it. A lot more needs to be done. I'm not saying that we are done, or I'm not saying that we have achieved everything. Absolutely not. It's a very long journey. But we have been able to improve the overall infrastructure at the grassroots level.
Haka jing sedang jong ka ayom slab Menteri Ketenat Disaster Management uba kermen shelau laong ba ketenat ketrikam ban pentikna ya ka jing shingan jong kipat ba da ka babuk jingmut ya ka jing shlei ba ka jing twa khandau ka ba ka jala Meghalaya ka Jumat ka jing hap slap ka bajur shimiet ha ka jala Meghalaya Dangshan ka lawanra ka jing shlei Haribhoi district ba ka jing twa khandau ha ki katu kat ne ki jaka ka bapelong ya ka soka jala ban pentrei kam mi ki kan hun ai jing rap jongka ki bo badai pet badai khmi ki lakmi bnya bat pet ngor har rengkat ka jing jurep ban sandor ya ki lat ki lenti ha ka bedai bat ka ni ka benta.
We have seen this from time to time regarding this landslide and flood occurring in our state. When it comes to the recent landslide, I don't have the report with me as of now. I have not received any kind of reports, but no doubt the officers on the ground, they are taking care like how we have been doing from time to time, so that there will be no casualties, and then to avoid all those to avoid all the problems of people on the ground. So that has been practiced from time to time, but as of now, what exactly where, I don't have the details with me.
Kari India kalabu yaki kendon hakabaya day ba kajingwan ra yaki jan bala depshna lupa na Bangladesh bat kiwei ki marling ba ki kat jongka hakatan shatay la mingi ki ba kentup yaki tu ha Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura bat Mizoram. Kani karai kalong hadien ki jing kren bala penmi jing yakan at da unong ai jingmut ba shipor jongka Bangladesh u Muhammad Yunus. Hagapo ba ulet jingo yaka China hakaba ula kren shipang katan shatay la mingi jong kari India. UMLA jong ka amlarem uba lakmen remboy ka ba ka constituency jong u ka kentup ya ki jaka khai ba kongsan jong ka dauki ulaong ba ki jing perking ba kensan ki la pentut ya ka khai pateng jong ki nong khai ki ba shanya ya ki mar ki ba 1 point na Bangladesh haba kubur ya ka jing syak kta jong ka yo ka kot uba remboy ula banjur ba ka jing shngan jong kari kalong ka ba khmat e.
These have been done in a very short notice. But having said that, for the sake of security of the country, the people understand, and we have to abide by the government order, so that because this is done is for the benefit of the country only. And moreover, export to Bangladesh as of now, it does not affect the exporters could export their goods through the land port there as usual. So the export is not affected, but import of some item which come through Dauki is affected due to this order.
Ka dorbar shnong Port Sim ka bahap apo Karanikor Civil Subdivision Southwest KHASI District kala shim ya karai ban penklan ya ki kendon banyada ya ki jingtau ba im hakawa Port Mula ka badon 20 kilometer na Maukarwan bat kala maham ba on dan kuna san pawajar tingka ya kino ki balap badon kti ban penyak pathar ya ki jaj dok kha hakatei kawa ka do basnong kala thmuru ban kentieu ki kam jungok kai hakatei kathan ba katei ka jaka da ka ba benrap ba katei kawa ka dei ka wei na ki jaka jungok kai perthei ka ba itna tam ka ban bu ya katei ka snong hakamap jungok kai perthei jong ka jala Meghalaya.
Habis ni pek ia kena ka wa formula ni is nai palat namar ki jing let dusman jong ki riu sim kobu na kepada penjat ia ki jing thau ba em apo jong kini ki wa ki ba ngi kum ka snong ni is met ban pek namar ba aba ngi lej ban lej kai sekini ki wa ki jing i ba ki do kha ki su yap e namar ba ki riu dusman ki wan berbi ha kena ka wa
Ketenat District Social Welfare nen kesengi lapun kuk burom ya kekong sawakani lakyang kebawan ra ekanam ya kejela da ka jingjob jongka ya ketak maksiar ha ketup ke dan sak women's bikini model ha kelumpung World Fitness Federation Bodybuilding bala pelong da ka South Asian Association na kebenta ka jingya trelang ha ketan ke bala long ha Mumbai ha kekat kendai terik ujemang ajar apusan kala tau history da ka balong tang maka ka nong elek kai kentei na ka jela Meghalaya ban yo ya ka prokat ha ka ne ka lempung ka kong sawakani lakyang na ka snong tebep pali jawai kala long ru kum ka ambassador jong ka Beti Bachao Beti Parao District Hub for Empowerment of Women West Janty Hills District kane ka jingpun ko burom kala long ha ka office jong ka DSWO Mukerdup jawai Ka East Casials kalong kaladu ha ka state level inter-school athletic meet ka balapanya dagasai center ha ka NEHU campus mentagasngi akaba kut jong kani ka lumpung ile kai ka balai skilenter ka East Casials kalayok khur arpulai tali kita kemaksiar khat wei tali kita kemarupa bat pratali kita kemaranong nalo balayok khur ka nam la du ka East Casials kalalong ru ka kenhun ka bala du ha baro atli ka dan jong ki kenthei bat shenrang kat ba ka North Garo Hills kalalong kabalawan baar haga kerdan haga jingyok khur ya ka takma haga ba kala yok khur nriu tali kita kemaksiar santali kita kemarupa bat sautali kita kemarnong kat ba ka East Giant Hills kalawan haga kerdan kabalai haga ba kala yok khur nriu tali kita kemaksiar artali kita kemarupa bat sautali kita kemarnong ya kene ke lempung ile kai la penya dagatnat sports and youth affairs haringkat ke jingat trailang bat ke Meghalaya Athletics Association. Mentang nyepet ya kajing long jingman ka sumeneng hatura. Kajing kriat kalong apu r degree Celsius bat kajing shit kalong laipu r degree Celsius. Kajing sengam ka hau kalong ndrup ndruk shispa bat kajing half slap kalong r.2 millimeters. Aba pai bat shenong bat shalong kajing kriat kalong kat ndriu point r degree Celsius bat kajing kriat kalong apu r point sau degree Celsius. Kajing sengam ka hau kalong prapulai shispa bat kajing half slap kalong 0.2 millimeters. Kat bahar jawai kajing kriat kalong kat nyau degree Celsius bat kajing shit kalong 8 degree Celsius. Kajing sengam ka hau kalong prabu pranik shispa bat kajing half slap kalong 0.9 millimeters. Kalabandon kajing half slap ha tura jawai bat shalong. Tedak tu ki kubong la point sebekut jone ketup jongi mentaka jan miet ngin se shameng pilashai sngi ha kajuk ko kublish buni pi baro.
Station scheme, Haibargaon becomes the first railway station in Assam among 50 stations identified in the state inaugurated under this ambitious scheme.